Climb inside the 2011 GMC Acadia. Under the hood, you'll find a 6-cylinder engine with more than 270 horsepower, and all-wheel drive keeps this model firmly attached to the road surface. Top features include cruise control, delay-off headlights, variably intermittent wipers, front and rear air conditioning, heated door mirrors, and remote keyless entry. Third-row seats provide an even greater maximum passenger capacity. Enjoy your favorite music via the stereo system, which includes a CD player with MP3 capability and 6 speakers providing excellent sound throughout the cabin. Passengers are protected by various safety and security features, including dual front impact airbags, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, a panic alarm, OnStar, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. For added security, Dynamic Stability Control supplements the drivetrain. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.